Students, this is Sure Success Classes. In this session, we are going to learn the important topic, that is time. This topic is useful not only for our academics but also in day-to-day life. So without wasting time, let's start. If you observe the figure on the board, here I have tried to draw the face of clock, and there are certain markings on this clock. Out of these markings, 12 markings are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Means this is 12-hour clock. And if you observe these three hands, this one is hour hand, this one is minute hand, and the thinnest one is second hand. Here between these two numbers there are, if you observe these subdivisions, here we will count them 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Means between two numbers there are 5 subdivisions, and each subdivision stands for 1 minute. Each subdivision stands for 1 minute. The duration between two numbers is of 5 minutes. If the minute hand is at 2 and we have to count the minutes at this position, at that time, to make it clear, I will rub these two hands and we will concentrate only on minute hand. Here, when we convert these numbers into minutes, at that time we will multiply these numbers by 5 minutes. Why we take here 5 minutes? Because the duration between two numbers is 5 minutes, is of 5 minutes. So in each case we will multiply the numbers by 5. So here we will get 10 minutes. We can similarly here say, if the minute hand is at 3, then the time will be 15 minutes. Here it will be 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes. In each case, we are multiplying the number by 5 minutes. 40 minutes, 45 minutes, here it will be 50 minutes, 55 minutes. And when minute hand comes at this position or on 11, at that time the time will be 55 minutes. And when it moves on, it will go towards 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. When it complete one round, at that time we can't write the minutes as 60 minutes. In this case, the hour hand changes its position and we tell the time in hours. We will take one example. If in the clock the time is 2 o'clock and 55 minutes, and minute hand is moving ahead, at that time it will complete 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. Here when it come at 12, we can't write the time as 2 o'clock and 60 minutes. Here our hand changes its position. It will come on the number 3 and minute hand will appear here. So it will be 3 o'clock. So this is wrong and we tell the time with 3 o'clock. Students, if minute hand is between 12 to 6, at that time it may be here, here, here or here also. We use the word past. Here it is at 5, means it completes 25 minutes. So we tell the time as it is 2:25. We tell the time 25 minutes past 2. If it is at 4, then the time will be 2:20. Now we tell time as 20 minutes past 2, means 20 minutes when our hand is any position, we tell the time that those minutes are past to that hour. Students, when minute hand passes through 6 and moves towards 12, at that time it may be here, here, here also. At that time we will use the word 2 to tell the time. Here if you see in the clock, the time is 4:35. But when we tell the time, at that time we tell it as 25 minutes, 25 minutes to 5. Here 2 means that much minutes required to enter into next hour. Here we take next hour when we tell the time. So 4:35, when we tell this time, at that time we use 25 minutes to 5. Students, when minute hand is at this position or on the number 3, it completes 5 3s are 15 minutes. And these first 15 minutes and last 15 minutes is known as quarter. Is known as quarter in time terminology. So here the time is 5:15 and the minute hand is between 12 and 6. We also use the word past. So the time we tell the time as quarter past 5. In a simple manner we can read it as quarter past 5. Quarter means 15 minutes and past means completed or over after particular hour, that is 5. Means the time 5:15, we can tell it as quarter past 5. Students, when minute hand exactly at point 6 or exactly turn at 6, at that time we tell the time in this way. Here minute hand is at 6 means it completes 6 5s are 30 minutes. How much minutes? 30 minutes. We know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and half of 60 is equal to 30, means we can write this 30 is equal to 60 by 2 is equal to, this is 1 hour, and so 1 by 2 of this 1 hour is equal to half hour, and we write this fraction in word as half hour. So when we tell the time at this position, at that time we use the word half, and when minute hand is between 12 to 6, at that time we use the word past. These both words we use when tell the time. Here the time is 1:30, and when we tell this time, at that time we use half past, whatever may be the hour. Here 1, half past 1, we write it as half past 1. Similarly, if our hand is at 7, at that time we tell the time, or we can tell the time as 7:30 or half past 7. Students, look at this face of the clock. Here time is 7:45. We write this time in this way, means 15 minutes are required to enter into next hour, and we know when minute hand is between 6 to 12, means second half, it is between second half, at that time we use the word 2, means that much minutes are to be required to enter into next hour and complete that particular hour. So here time is 7:45, means 15 minutes, 15 minutes are required to enter into next hour 8, and we know we say these 15 minutes, last 15 minutes of hour, we say it as quarter, and means quarter to next hour, we write it as quarter to next hour is 8. Here we write it as quarter to 8. In simple way we can quote this as quarter to 8, means 15 minutes are to be required to enter into next hour. Here 7:45, we can write this time as quarter to 8. Students, let's revise the session with the help of this wall clock. Here we have to mention the time. We know this is minute hand and this one is hour hand, and third one is second hand. Here minute hand exactly points at 12 and hour hand is at 11, means the time is 11 o'clock. So we can write the time as 11 o'clock. The second question is, we have to tell the time at this position. Here minute hand is at 4, means it is 20 minutes, and hour hand is at 10. When minute hand is between 12 to 6, between first half, at that time we use the word past, and here 20 minutes past 10 means after 10 o'clock 20 minutes are completed. So we can write this time as 20 minutes past 10. 20 minutes are completed after 10 o'clock. Next question is mention the time in the clock. Here minute hand is at 7 and hour hand is next to 9. When minute hand is between second half, at that time we use the word 2. 2 means that much time required to enter into next hour. Here we will count the time for the entering into next hour. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. It is 25 minutes. Means 25 minutes are to be required to enter into next hour, that is 10. So we mention this time as 25 minutes to 10. Here after 2 we mention next hour. Means this time, we say this time as 25 minutes to 10. Means 25 minutes are to be required to 10. This appeal is to students as well as their parents. To support our channel, kindly subscribe our channel. If you like the videos of Sure Success classes, kindly share these videos with your friends. And if you have any query or suggestion, kindly mention in comment box.